Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First, open Leonardo.AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you will see an interface like this. Now, click on the login button in the top right corner and select sign up from the left sidebar. You can continue with your Google account, Microsoft account, or email address. For this video, I'll use an email address and sign up with the temporary email address. So simply copy the temporary email address from the temp mail and paste it into Leonardo.AI. Then click continue. Next, you will be asked to create a password. So choose a strong password and re-enter it to confirm, and then click create account. A verification code will be sent to your email inbox, so go to your email, open the message from Leonardo AI and copy the verification code and paste it into Leonardo.ai, then click continue. Once you have signed up successfully, you will see a dashboard like this. Now click on the create video and here you'll find several AI video generation models including Cadence 2.0, Hello 2.3, Kling 3.0, VEO, Sora, and many others. So for this video, I'll choose Hello 2.3. And you can also customize the style of your video by adjusting elements such as vibe, lighting, and colors if needed. Next, select the video duration, dimensions, and quality of the video as well. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Leonardo.ai. As you can see, I currently have 150 credits available and this video generation requires only 98 credits. So simply click the generate button. And as you can see, the video generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Once the video is ready, you will be able to preview and download it directly from the platform. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one more important thing. You can sign up for Leonardo AI using your personal account or email address. It's completely up to you. However, for this video, I'm using a temporary email address. If your free credits run out, you can simply create another account using a different temporary email address and receive a new set of free credits. This way, you can create many free AI videos without purchasing a paid subscription. Now, let's wait for the generation process to complete and see the final results. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided, with excellent quality and resolution. So guys, with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.